AI video generators have completely taken over 2026. With videos so realistic, you genuinely can't tell if they're AI or real anymore. We all know the big names, Veo 3, Sora, Grok, but most of these tools cost hundreds of dollars to use. But what if I told you I found a way to generate unlimited, uncensored AI videos completely free? In today's video, I'm showing you 3 of the best AI video tools available right now, and honestly, some of the results are insane. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. So this is the first AI video generator that I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, do keep in mind that all the video generators I'm going to be showing you are completely free, unlimited, and open source. And if you look over here, you can see it says log in. That's to show you that you don't even need an account to generate with this AI tool. That's really why I love it. The first thing you want to do is type in your prompt. You can head over to your prompt box right here, and you can type in a simple prompt like realistic image of a woman with pink hair. Just like this. And you can as well select the shot type. You have a wide variety to choose from. This AI tool gives you a wide range of ways to personalize your generation, so you can get exactly what you want. You can go with extreme close-up shots, and even portraits. I'm just gonna leave it as is, and you can choose the color or the vibe that you want for the image. I'm just gonna leave it as is. And for the effects, I recommend using background blur because it usually just sharpens the image generation overall. I'm just gonna click on it, and for the art style, I can go with casual photo. They have lots and lots of art styles to choose from, so just choose what works for you. And for the shape, which is the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with square. And this is where things come into play, because if you click here, you can see you can generate all the way up to 32 images at a time. But I do recommend, personally, you generate anywhere from 2 to 4 images, because the fewer images you generate, the better quality you get with that. So I'm just gonna generate 4 images. Having everything set, all you have to do is click on Generate, and the AI tool begins to generate our image. Just give it a couple of minutes while it generates, and our images are done generating. Let's take a look, and honestly, this did a really, really good job with this. They all look so realistic, and it works really, really well, considering the fact that it's completely free, unlimited, and open source for me and you to use. You can click on an image right here to download this onto your device. Honestly, this is really, really good. Another cool feature that comes with this AI tool is the dice feature, because if you click right here, it generates a random prompt for us. Like you can see, it has given us this prompt right here, which you can easily just click on generate, and it generates a beautiful result like this. And they all look so nice. So that's it for the first AI tool. Here's the link to it. Make sure to check it out. So now moving on to the second video generator, which is Hugging Face. And some of you might already be familiar with this AI tool because it is truly one of the best open source models out there that gives you a wide variety to choose from. If you look over here, you can see there are image generators, video generators, all the way up to image editing and code generation. And when I say this AI tool has all the models, trust me, it has all the models. Because if you go over here and search for Sora 2, you will see that it is available right here for you to use. Truly, it has all the models. But what we're focusing on is the video generator. So just head over here and click on video generation, and you would see a wide variety of models to choose from. If you scroll down, you can see that they are truly great. And these models are being updated daily. Like, you can see this one was released 7 days ago. So I'm just gonna scroll down. You can also see this one was released 33 minutes ago. That's to show you that it's truly being updated every day. If you scroll back up, the model we're gonna be focusing on, the WAN 2.2 14B preview. You can see over 2,000 people are using this. So all you have to do is click on it and you'll be loaded over to this interface. Now, all you have to do is click right here where you can upload an image. I'm just going to upload an image of my choice. For this, I'm going with this image of a woman sitting on a bench. If you scroll down, you can see you have your prompt box here, but you already have a prompt already set in place here, and it's really good. You can increase the duration all the way up to 10 seconds, I'm just gonna take it to 5. I can as well select the frames you want for this generation. Right now, I can go with 30. All you have to do is click on Generate Video. Your video will begin generating. Just give it a couple of minutes, and you'll have a video like this. And honestly, this is really, really good. You can get a longer video by increasing the duration, but this works well for me. I can download it straight onto my device by clicking here. Do keep in mind that this AI tool is completely free and open source, and you run it completely on your GPU. You can see right here, it's running on my GPU, so you don't need to pay any credits or anything like that. This right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out. Now, lastly, we're going to be heading over to the current best generator out there, which is the Tencent Hunyuan. Most people don't talk about this, but it's free, unlimited, and open source, and it works really, really well. You have lots and lots of models, like the all-new Hunyuan Image 3 Plus. You have video generating models also, like this one right here. So firstly, let's test out the video generating model. You can just click right here, and you'll be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that you have a prompt box right here. But firstly, let's upload our image. Just click right here and select an image of your choice. Then all you have to do is type in your prompt, like, "She moves realistically." All you have to do now is click on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. Honestly, I'm really intrigued to see how well this AI tool performs. Just give it a couple of minutes while it generates. And in no time, we have this beautiful video right here. And honestly, this did a really good job. No morphing, no distortion, and this right here is the link to the AI tool. Make sure to check it out.